How to find your Spotify pie chart. Hey everyone, welcome back to this new guide video of TechTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact website from where you can view your Spotify pie chart of your most played songs and your top played artists. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching it until the end and let's get right into it. Now you cannot view the Spotify pie chart within the website of Spotify. For that, you need to use a different website. So just search for Spotify Pi and you can see this first result which says Spotify Pi. So just click on this result and you can see this section from where you need to first log into your Spotify account. So just click on login to Spotify. Type in the credentials of your Spotify such as your username or your email address and this password of your Spotify. Once you do, it's going to take you to this section where you just need to click on agree and you'll be able to view the exact Spotify pie chart that you have. So that was the video on how to view your Spotify pie chart. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below.